Hello stalkers, welcome back. As expected, we are seeing a red closing in both the markets. Let's start analyzing and see how the index performed today. But before that, if at all you are new on this channel, then subscribe for free daily updates on Dubai and Abu Dhabi stock market. Also, after watching this video, if you think it was helpful, if you gained some knowledge out of this, then do not forget to support the channel, hit the like button and share it with your friends as well. So let's start analyzing DFM market index, that is Dubai Financial Market. As you know, we have highlighted our resistance area right here, that is at 5,393 points, and this is exactly what I had mentioned in my yesterday video as well. In case if you have missed that, here is the iCard. Do watch that video, it will help you. So once we have identified our important resistance area that market is not able to break, we can see multiple attempts were made into this zone to break out and close above this zone. Obviously it was unsuccessful. Finally, what happened? Market gave away the strength, bulls lost the steam, and we can see drop to the downside. Today's candle is again negative. Something very important that I would like to highlight here is check out how support and resistance plays in the market. So if at all we have identified this as our important supply area, then what happened today is after the opening it went up, it trapped all the buyers at the top, and then market started to decline aggressively. Closing is at 5,334. So today was a perfect bull trap scenario. Many buyers and investors must have thought market is still positive, it's climbing up, as right after opening many stocks were climbing up slowly and steadily, but then we saw sudden drop as we progressed during the session. So creating a perfect bull scenario, trapping the buyers at the top. This was just a liquidity hunt. Market went up, it entered into the zone. Check this out, this is resistance area. It tapped the liquidity, trapped all the buyers, and then it closed negative. So looking at today's candle and scenario in the market, there are very good chances, if at all market does not survive into this zone, that is 5,334. If it does not bounce up from here, then next stop is at around 5,296 that I have already mentioned to you that this is important support for the market. From here, if at all it's not sustaining, then we have minor support around 5,260 points. If this fails also to hold the market, then we have 5,190. In both the scenarios, if at all market crosses this swing low right here, if market rejects this support area as well, that is 5,115 points. Remember, I repeat, this is first strong support, second strong support, and this is the last resort. If at all market goes below this zone, then it will be into bearish territory. As of now, still market is trending up. We can clearly see higher highs and higher lows. But if at all it goes below this area, then market will turn bearish. Hopefully that does not happen. We want to see a recovery coming in very soon, either from this area or somewhere in the middle of these two zones. Let's see how the market performs tomorrow. Overall, still DFM market index is bullish. Perfect bull trap scenario in ADX market as well, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. Check this out. Today market went up at the time of opening, and immediately we saw a rejection into this resistance area, that is 9,650. Market started to drop aggressively. Closing is between very important support. If at all you are watching my analysis regularly, then I'm sure you know this is important zone for the market, that is between 9,590 to 9,600 points. Closing is at 9,595. Well, looking at today's closing, most likely I think if at all market does not survive into this area, then we have our next stop at 9,563. If this fails, then we have next stop bit far. A strong support I'm talking about right here is 9,520. We have 9,500 as well, that is whole number. This is psychological and technical support area. If these two zones fail to hold the market, then we have stronger support at 9,404 points. Hopefully market does not drop this low. I want to see market recovering somewhere from here itself, so that we can see market breaking the resistance of 9,653. We will get our first confirmation when we see a solid candle closing above this zone, that is 9,563. If at all market can close like this anytime during this week, then we will confirm that resistance is now taken out, and from here we are going north. Maybe it can even break past 9,688 points and travel till about next resistance, that is 9,727. Overall, ADX market is still positive. It's going through a correction phase. Hopefully the correction will not be deeper. This is the daily chart of Union Properties. I again repeat, in case if you have missed my yesterday's video where I had covered Union Properties as well, do watch the video. I will provide the link right at the top so that you will understand why I had mentioned there are chances we may see rejection. Exactly, this is what has happened. First thing first, we know that our rally has started from this area, that is around 0.380, and from here after this bullish hammer candle, market started to travel up. It broke important area of resistance, that is 0.445. After this breakout, we saw another strong push. After this candle, I'm sure many of the buyers must be thinking there are very good chances it may continue to the upside. But as I had mentioned, this is resistance area. There are chances we may see rejection either directly from current zone, or either it may go up and get rejected. Exactly, this is what we are seeing. Market today opened with a small gap up. It went up, it trapped all the buyers at the top. They bought into the euphoria, or they bought it very high thinking UPP will continue going up. Well, no doubt it is in an uptrend, but this is not the right place for entry. Exactly, this is the reason I had mentioned in my members video yesterday, warning my members, do not take entry at the top. This is very risky. Today we are seeing a rejection candle into the resistance. Bulls are now trapped here. There are very good chances we may see continuation to the downside to revisit 0.445. If at all Union Properties cannot sustain around this area, that is 0.465, then be ready. There are chances it can hit this zone and even go lower. Scenario number 2, there are chances we may see some recovery tomorrow. Till the time now it does not close above this zone, that is 0.490, we cannot take any chances, because there are chances again it may try and hit the zone, get resisted and come down. So in both the scenarios we have to be very careful and stay away till the time we do not see a solid bullish candle confirmation. So you may now mark it on your charts. If at all it comes down, hits this zone, if we see any bullish candle, if we see good volumes into this zone, then this is good for an entry. This should be our place where we can take entries, and again we are targeting 0.495 to 0.500 as our take profit area. Now if you analyze your risk to reward ratio, this will give you a good setup. If I take a position right here at the support zone, my stop loss will be just below the low of this candle right here. And if at all I'm targeting the same resistance area, check this out, my risk to reward ratio is perfect. If at all I'm risking this much of amount, then I'm taking times 5 from the market. I hope you understood this. Hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.